Look at the dust storm. Got dark pretty quick. In a matter of minutes, it got dark, and now we're in a dust storm. Oh wow! Oh shit! Oh shoot! Wow! Stuff flying all over the place. Oh wow! This is gonna be at least 80-mile-an-hour wind. We got stuff flying all over the place. There's roofs coming up. There's roofs coming off of these buildings. Wow. Okay, the wind slowed down a little bit. Oh, it's coming my way. What the hell is that? Gotta get out of here. Got a tree down right there. Look at that. Oh crap. The wind's picking up again. Oh, look at all these barbecue grills that over here at Lowe's, they all blew out in the middle of the parking lot here. Uh-oh. Runaway shopping cart. Whoa, look how windy this is. Those trees are going to go down next. Well guys, this is a dust storm. This is an Arizona official dust storm. I think something just hit that truck. Here's where the people were selling fireworks over the 4th of July weekend. And this tent is now in shambles. I don't know if you can see part of the tents over there. And of course this guy wants to come down this road right here. There's some of their tables. There's another downed tree, pulled right out of the ground by its roots. Well, you're not going to believe this, but look at this. The wind blew that Walmart cart return thing out in the middle of the parking lot. Wow. That was some heavy wind, boy. There's a look at the freeway. The freeway is backed up. It looks like there's an accident over there right now. Let's see how close I can get. Yeah, it looks like the freeway's backed up pretty far. That's the I-10 freeway heading east. We probably got an accident right over there. We got emergency vehicles coming from all over the place. There's two more coming right there. Fire trucks, ambulances, and over there, oh, I hope everybody's okay. There's a whole bunch of squad cars and another ambulance. Freeway's pretty much in a standstill. Nobody's moving right now. And that, again, that's the I-10 freeway heading east as it starts to rain. Yep, it's gonna pour now. Here's a look at Dunkin' Donuts. Right before the dust storm, Dunkin' Donuts had on the roof one of those big donut balloon things. Hot air balloons, I don't know what they're called. Anyway, it's not there anymore. Wonder where it is. Wow. This is a lot of emergency vehicles. This guy can't even go.
Did you get any good storm?
Yeah. I was out there and I was in the dust storm. There it is on TV.
Glowing in the city lights, an impressive sight out there.
You know, we talked about the zero
I know it's a dust
visibility
storm.
on the
Yeah, there was. Were you in the house the whole time?
Zero visibility
I was
for planes.
scared.